This is quarter 1, week 2. So from the modules uh, that you picked this morning, so these are the subjects included. Okay, starting with science, week 2. So it is Smile Learners Packet. So may nakalagay naman na label. Science 1, SSCS week 2. So don't forget to write your name. So this is still about the human body, but this time, aside from the human body parts, we are also going to talk about the functions or the uses. So same parts. So there are questions. Try to read it properly, or you let your parents or guardian read it to you so that you would understand how are you going to answer the questions. And then there's a discussion, and then application, parts A and B, and then the reflection part. Okay, for MTB naman, quarter 1, module 2, so tungkol ini sa rima or rhyming words, the same and sounds. So there are instructions to follow. So take note, Bicol terms for each picture. So yan, may explanation din what is rhyming words all about o rima. And then different activities to you to do. Just read the directions properly before answering, or you can answer this in advance if you don't want to wait for the lesson video, or you can answer this together with the lesson video that you will be viewing tomorrow. So it's until page 6. For math module 2, so we are using module. So this is about one more or one less. So after the discussion, there are tasks to do. So before the task is given to you, examples are presented first. But I will discuss this further during the lesson video. So it's until page 6. So the last part is post-test. For ESP, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao, Quarter 1, Module 2, Isa sa Kilos Aking Kakayahan. This is in Filipino kasi hindi pa siya na-contextualize. First quarter, so na module, siya in Filipino. So same parts, there is an activity before the discussion, and then followed by a set of activities. So may discussion, Isa Puso, then pagsasanay 2, Isa Buhay. So you just read the directions so that you won't get wrong answers from following directions. And then kasunduan, igawit ang iyong mga ginawa upang malinaw ang iyong kakayahan habang ikaw ay nasa bahay noong panahon ng pandemic. So you can do this on this part. So you may give two sets or two pictures that you have to draw. And then for arts naman, so this is about iba't ibang linya, hugis at tekstura ng sining. This is in Filipino, pero yung mga next quarters, it will be in Bicol. So, yan. May introduction of the topic, vocabulary. These words will be mentioned during the discussion. Then, ito ang pre-test. The direction says here, so sagutang papel, so you don't need to use answer sheet, but you need to write directly on the paper. So you can write the letter here on the blank, so para makita agad ang sagot. So this is the pretest. Sunod, the discussion itself, gawain 1. Pag may nakalagay na sagutang papel, tapos wag na po kayong maggamit ng answer sheet. So, pag may makita kayong blank, doon sa blank ilagay ang letter. Pero, pag wala naman blank, so you can encircle the letter. So, yan na lang ang palatandaan. In case ang directions, you need answer sheet. And then, next, so there are shapes that you need to trace. Tapos, gawain 2. O, ito naman, piliin ulit ang titik, tapos sasagot ang papel. So, you don't need to write it on an answer sheet. So, wala naman blank. So, just encircle the letter. And then, this is about texture, gawain 3. So, same, pag walang blank, bilugan. Pero pag may blank, you need to write A, B, or C as your answer. Okay, this is the most number of pages, arts, among the other subjects. And then the last part will be your drawing. So, drawing ng bata. Kaya-kaya yan because all drawings starts with different shapes and different lines. And then last is AP using the learner's packet. So, this is in Bicol, isurat ang pangalan, then we have the topic, and then different activities. So, this time you will be using, there are activities that you need to use your crayon. Tapos, you need to look for pictures that you have to cut out and paste. Yan. So, T, tama, if it's correct. S, kung sala, not correct. And then, yung gagawin dyan sa heart, just read the directions. So, one learner's packet composed of 3 lessons. Iba-iba. So, that's it for week 2. Sa mga nag-submit ng week 1, so good job na parang na-try nyo matapos in 1 week. So again, try this to finish in for 1 week para masanay na din. So kung nahirapan during the first week, it's okay kasi we just started and then you are learning to get used to it. So this time, try nyo na naman na matapos to. So, you try doon sa mga madadali, you can follow the schedule. Pag Tuesdays, AP and ESP. Pag Wednesday, Science. Thursday, MAPE and MTB. And then on Friday, Math. So, yan. Para pag Saturday, Sunday, you can have your family time and you can have your play time. So, that's it. Thank you.